Hello everyone, I am Satnam Singh and welcome once again on my YouTube channel Economics by Satnam Sir. Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss the reason behind change in the shape of production possibility curve. What is the meaning of production possibility curve? So this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis, and this is production possibility curve. Good Y, good X. Production possibility curve is a graphical representation of different possible combination of two goods that an economy can produce with the help of given resources and technology. But before we start this video, I would recommend to all of you to please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Economics by Satnam Sir. Dear students, in this video I am discussing about the change in production possibility curve, and the production possibility curve is based on the assumption that resources of an economy are fixed and technology remain constant. However, in this changing world, the productive capacity of the economy is constantly changing due to increase or decrease in the resources. Such changes in resources lead to the change in production possibility curve. The change in production possibility curve indicate either or increase or decrease in the productive capacity of the economy. So this is the last video we have to study the point F. Point P is unattainable combination, but the economy can achieve this combination when resources are increases. So production possibility curve is, this is the shift in the rightward shift in the production possibility curve. The reason behind is that two reasons. First, increase in resources, and the second reason is in advancement of technology. The production possibility curve is rightward shifting. It means production capacity of the economy can increase with the help of two factors. First, increase in resources, and second, advancement of technology. These are the two important reasons in which the production possibility curve is shifting the rightward. And example of increase in resources, for example, when MNCs, multinational companies invest into India, this increases the resources of the economy, which raises the production capacity, and production possibility curve the shift the rightward. So advancement in technology and increase in resources are the two reasons which shift the production possibility curve to the rightward. And this is the leftward shift in the production possibility curve. The reason behind the leftward shift in the production possibility curve is the decrease in resources, and degradation of technology. Decrease in resources and degradation of technology is the reason behind the leftward shift in the production possibility curve. This is the rightward shift in the production possibility curve, and this is the leftward shift in the production possibility curve. So increase in resources and advancement technology is the reason behind the shift in the rightward shift in the production possibility curve, and the reason behind the leftward shift in the production possibility curve is decrease in resources and degradation in the technology. And another one shift in the production possibility curve is rotation of production possibility curve. Rotation in the production possibility curve. It happens when there is change in the productive capacity with respect to any one good. And this is the production possibility curve. This is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. Production of good y, and in x-axis we show the production of good x, and this is the AP is the production possibility curve. Production possibility curve is downward sloping concave because of the increasing marginal opportunity cost or increasing marginal rate of transformation. And now, if in case of good X, increase in the resources and advancement in technology in good X, the production of good X increases and production possibility curve shift from AP to AP1. This is the rotation of the commodity on the X-axis. When there is a technological improvement or increase in resources for the production of good X, then production possibility curve will rotate from AP to AP1. This is the rotation. And P2. And however, in case of technological degradation and decrease in resources for the production of good X, production possibility curve will rotate to the leftward from AP to AP2. This is a leftward rotation. So reason is the rotation around x-axis in case increase in the resources of good X and advancement in the technology of the production of good X. And same in case of good Y. This is the production of good X, good Y, and good X. AB is the production possibility curve, y-axis, x-axis, and in case of Y, a technological improvement or increase in the resources of production of good Y will rotate the production possibility curve from AB to BB1. And in case of decrease in the resources and degradation technology in the production of good X, the production possibility curve is rotate from AB to AB2. And this is the rotation and the shift in the production possibility curve. Thank you very much for watching this video.